Okay, we're now ready to start editing the videos that we've taken on our Flip camera. We've already installed the software, the FlipShare software, onto our computer. So this time when we plug the camera into a spare USB slot, the software should automatically run. So the camera is now plugged in, and we should see shortly the software automatically start. We now see a screen which actually displays the videos that are currently on the camera. The first thing you'll notice is that these two videos are currently unsaved. The wording up here says unsaved, and you also get this tiny little yellow triangle which also just warns you that these videos are unsaved. The first thing we need to do before we do anything else is to get them saved onto the computer. So there's a couple of ways of doing this. The simplest way is to go down here to the Save to Computer button and press that. It's now copied those two clips onto our computer. So you'll notice up here that we have various different menus as well. This is the computer, and it's automatically created a folder and it puts them in the month they were created, and we can just go in there and view them. At the top here we've got the camcorder. You notice that the video clips are still actually on the camera as well. Of course you can delete them from the camera, either by using the camera itself or just delete them here. So we can now do the basic editing of these clips. So once we come in, we can actually play them first of all. So we've got a play button here, and we can just press that and it will start to play the clip through. We can also use a slider to move along the clip, and we can play different bits of the clip. We also can look here and see how long the clip is. It's 10 seconds long. And we've also got this tiny pair of scissors button here as well, which we'll talk about shortly. Just a couple of other things while we're in this window. You can change how you display the clips. We're currently in this thumbnail view, which will display all the clips. You can also move across here and you can display the clips like so, or you can just display one whole clip at a time. And again, you've still got the play control down here to play the clip and pause the clip in the same way. You've got various other buttons along the bottom here, which we will talk about as we go through using this piece of software. But the most important thing really is that you can change the view up here and view all the clips in the particular folder. And depending on how many clips you have, this obviously will get longer and longer, this list. So really that's the kind of basics of getting the clips into the software.